Hi guys, here just gonna show some tools that I got. Appreciate if you like and subscribe to this. Help me build the channel. Bought this a couple weeks ago. I was gonna do some exhaust work, but ended up not doing it. Cheaper to keep it than return it. Little expander set off Amazon. Can't quite. Daewoo Tools, I guess. Got this bag of stuff here for 15 bucks. Some older Mastercraft sockets, some no-name ones. Cute little ratchet here, 1/4 inch, just says Japan on it. This is a 1/4 inch maximum ratchet, just for comparison. Got a nice file here. Nicholson, made in USA. Another Nicholson here. Brace from old drill, hand drill. Punch, says China on it. 3/16, I think. Needle file set. 12 regular types. Nice little set. I don't have any of these. Can't quite make that one out. Not sure what those two are. Star drill. Never seen one before, but I got a bunch in this set for drilling in concrete with the hammer. Another one here. Original hammer drill. Another file. Another star drill. Basically a chisel with a Phillips end on it. Big one. Got this 3/8 extension that has an adjustable links on it. Thought that was pretty cool. I've never seen one before. No name on it. As far as I'm concerned, this $15 was well spent. And for a chain, I don't have a complete set of chains, so that'll help. Little file. And a really wore out star drill. raw plug, made in England. Another piece for the chain. More star drills. A no-name spark plug. Has both the SAE and metric sizes on it, which is kind of cool. Another one identical. Husky 1316 deep socket, 1/2 inch. Nice socket, little warb. But old Mastercraft. Got a couple of these. Old sockets. I don't know if I got anything that'll fit them or not, but no size or writing on them. Gray, Canada, 1316. Mastercraft, 13mm. Mastercraft, 5/8 spark plug. A gray, 9/16. That's a nice socket. 1/2 inch drive. Not sure what brand this one is, but it's a 1516. This is chrome vanadium. Same as the previous one, but this one is 1 inch. Three-quarter. Not sure what brand that is. Seven sixteenths, same as the 1 inch. $18mm Mastercraft. Sorry, the camera's all over the place. Like I said, I'm just getting started. 7/8. $16mm no name. $10mm Mastercraft. No name. Little pin punch, I believe. Another little no name. Little nail set. Quarter-inch extension. Mastercraft 12mm. There's the other two of those, the old style. Forget what you call them. Or no name. No name. flathead bit. Couple no names and 7/16 nut driver bit. I believe a DeWalt flathead. And that's it. So if you guys could like and subscribe, I'll try to do some more videos like this. Have a great night. Thanks.